Blockchain shows up a lot in conversations about sustainable aviation fuel, but it isn't there to replace certification, auditing, or verification. Its role is simpler and much more practical and important. Here's how blockchain supports book and claim systems. In sustainable aviation fuel book and claim, the fuel is produced, the sustainability attributes linked to that fuel are issued, buyers purchase those attributes, and the certificates or credits are retired at the end. Each stage needs a clear, time-stamped record so the sequence can be verified. Blockchain doesn't replace sustainability systems. It provides a secure environment to store the records those systems generate. It enables time-stamped event entries, a shared and consistent source of truth, and transparent visibility into who submitted what and when. Book and claim involves environmental attributes moving separately from the physical fuel. That means documentation is everything. When allocation, transfers, or retirements are logged through blockchain, it becomes much harder for records to be duplicated, overwritten, or disputed. It supports consistent chain of custody, transparent attribute movements, audit-ready histories, and clear accountability across the chain. In a sustainable aviation fuel book and claim system, a producer enters a verified batch. Attributes are issued. A buyer purchases them. The certificate is allocated to that buyer and then retired when the claim is final. Each action becomes an event, and blockchain makes the history tamper evident. Think of it as a permanent version history. Blockchain preserves the integrity of the event history across sustainable aviation fuel tracking and verification systems. If you'd like a walkthrough of how book and claim works with traceable event records, book a call with our team.